Roger, Charlie. Clear for takeoff, wind 14016, gust 24.
Welcome to Not My Plane Aero Club. I'm Bobby Doss, the owner of United Flight Systems, and I coined the phrase Not My Plane Aero Club, and it is a new exciting venture that we're taking on here. Not My Plane is an aero club inside of the flight school that should appeal to many pilots. If you're a pilot who's completed your private pilot certificate, maybe working on your instrument rating, maybe thinking about joining a different aero club, or maybe even considering buying your own aircraft, I really think what we're doing with Not My Plane is a great solution for you. I'd like to take you around the flight school, show you some things that we're doing, introduce you to some of the aircraft, and talk about all the benefits for joining Not My Plane Aero Club. Let's go. So I've been asked a bunch of questions about what's included with Not My Plane Aero Club and what are the dues and my initiation fee really get me. Well, one of the biggest advantages to being part of a flight school and being part of an aero club in a flight school is that you get to also take advantage of all the things at the school. The first one is your dues are going to give you 1 hour each month in our full motion simulator. All 3 axes of motion, full wraparound screens. We have it configured right now as the 182 G1000 aircraft. Move over to the trays and we can configure 3 different type of aircraft, 2 multi-engines and a 172, either G1000 or not, so that you can learn how to fly all the aircraft in our fleet, but specifically for the club, the 2 182s are exactly the same as the simulator can be set up as. Another big advantage of Not My Plane being part of a flight school is access to the rest of our facilities. This is one of 8 rooms we have available for pre-flight planning, working with and talking through your strategies with an instructor or without an instructor. These rooms have TVs in them, so in this case I've got 4Flight Up. There's one of my, actually 2 of my trainers on the screen there, leaving Hooks Airport right now. Obviously, if you were working with an instructor, you have the ability to work on things and they can annotate and talk about the direction of travel and really help you be successful in your planning. But you can use this room by yourself as well and take advantage of many other features across the flight school being part of the Not My Plane Aero Club. We have a kitchen fully stocked. You can put your lunches in there or use our galley in the galley. Lots of opportunity for you to take advantage of our shared space at United Flight Systems while being a member of Not My Plane Aero Club. So what are the benefits of joining Not My Plane Aero Club? Well, there's a lot of them. First, you get 1 hour in the sim each month. You get 1 overnight with no minimums each month. You get discounts on the 182s and the Aero that are part of the club today, and any airplane we add in the future. You get the advantage of free nights instruction with our instructor team from United Flight Systems. About every 60 or 75 days, we'll do some free night training to where you will become proficient and current in our aircraft. You also get a quarterly event. The first one's gonna be in the Q1 timeframe. We're gonna do an 8-hour bottle to throttle event right here in our own hangar with you and your significant others. You get 10% off in our pilot supply shop, access to all of our facilities, and much, much more. Now let's jump in and take a look at some of our aircraft. We're currently in 149er2 uniform. This is a plane that's been with United Flight Systems since it was brand new. 2007, this plane joined the fleet. This is one of 2 182Ts in the flight club. If you like to fly a plane with a great G1000 and autopilot system, getting TAA time and taking a real useful load, this is a plane for you. Hopefully you got to see some exciting things and learn more about Not My Plane Aero Club. With access to our simulator, priority bookings, and many of the other things we discussed, I think Not My Plane Aero Club is a great choice for anyone looking to join a club or potentially buying an aircraft. Hopefully you sign up and get to participate in some of our fun quarterly events in the future. Thanks.